Good day, students. This is Max Arb, your instructor for this course. Not only am I a believer in Clifton Strengths for students, but I also utilize this assessment to better understand myself. I have been working in the education system for almost 15 years now. I always wanted to be a principal of an elementary school. During my time, I got promoted thinking these steps were steps to eventually leading a school. As I learned more about myself, I realized that being a principal requires effective managing and supervision of many personalities. I realized that my talents and skills are not aligned with the behaviors needed of a school principal. I literally went to a certified counselor for career coaching based on conversations with my family. Before I even went to my first appointment, I was directed to complete the same assessment you did. My top themes are relator, achiever, analytical, ideation, and significance. My analytical skills want everything proven with facts and data. I can almost do anything in Excel. I work very hard to achieve results, and I am always fond of recognition. I think the recognition part comes from my mother always praising me. Let me make a note that being an achiever does have a dark side that I am constantly aware of. Understanding the light and dark side of each thing will help you create more balance in your life. I am always striving for what is best, and I struggle with people taking similar routes to a solution and not seeing the bigger picture. Are these people wrong in their thinking or actions? Maybe not. In my experience, though, the easiest answer is not the right answer. Do I still think I could run a school? Absolutely. I would have challenges in certain areas, and in those situations, I would rely on my colleagues for support and try not to get myself in a rough situation. In summary, we should understand what we are good at and have plans for situations where we can't be our best. The professional world is similar to the education world you are in right now. Would you agree? Taking this assessment led me to apply to different careers, explore different professional development opportunities, and work more effectively with people in my world.